company called Pharma. We are headquartered in Paris, and we are a company specialized in the field of women's health, and especially in the specific area of emergency contraception. And we are here this morning and are delighted to announce that the European Medicines Agency has recommended that our emergency contraceptive pill called ELA-1 be made available directly to women without the need for a medical prescription across the entire European Union. Now, this information will be announced by the EMA in their classical Friday press release following the CHMP meetings. It's the EMA press release is under embargo until noon UK time, so we'd appreciate if we wait till after noon UK time.
The embargo is for 1 o'clock.
Yes, so 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock here.
Yeah.
Local time, yeah.
Yes. So why is this so exciting? This is a breakthrough, actually. It's the first ever recommendation of its type concerning an oral contraceptive product. And it should enter into force across the EU, all member states, in 2015, after a final endorsement by the European Commission. So the EMA recommendation goes to the European Commission now for endorsement, and it should become legally binding within 2 months. That's the calendar that we have been informed of. So we consider that this opinion is actually not like others. It's not a classical EMA opinion, as contraception is not a topic like others. It's really a testament to the fact that European regulators can make things happen and have taken the opportunity of this procedure to strengthen European women's ability to exercise their human and their reproductive rights. Now, a few words on emergency contraception, because there's some myths and misconceptions about emergency contraception. So emergency contraception refers to methods of preventing pregnancy, so contraception, that they're used in the short time window after unprotected intercourse, but before pregnancy begins. So this is prevention of pregnancy. We're not talking about abortion. And there are many misconceptions about this fact, so it's very important to be clear that this is contraception. Now, as the indication of use suggests, as an emergency contraceptive, the need for prompt intake or prompt use of these products is an imperative to their efficacy. And the sooner you take them after unprotected sex, the better they work to prevent unintended pregnancy. And this is really why direct access in pharmacy without the need for a medical prescription is key.
Erin, you're the Chief Executive Officer of HR Pharma. ELA-1 is the very latest, as far as I understand, in morning after contraception for women. What are the benefits that this is going to bring?
ELA-1 is the most effective method of oral emergency contraception, and thanks to the latest recommendation from the EMA, women across Europe, the entire European Union, will now have direct access to ELA-1 without the need for a doctor's prescription.
Does that mean in all 28 member states?
Absolutely.
And what's brought this about then? What is the kind of the sort of the sort of policy making that has brought this about for women all over the European Union now?
We requested a change in the status of ELA-1 from a prescription product to a non-prescription product because we know that rapid access to emergency contraception is the best way to ensure it's maximally effective. So through the CHMP and the European Medicines Agency centralized procedure, we were able to obtain a switch, an OTC switch, from prescription to non-prescription status, and this is the centrally authorized medicine. Therefore, the EMA is really enabling access to women across the European Union, regardless of where they live, to have equal access to this important contraceptive method.
Do you not think perhaps that people may object to this, given that it may, I don't know, indicate a newfound liberalism as far as underage sex is concerned, as far as underage women being able to have sex and then taking a morning after pill? What do you think about that?
We have years of experience with direct access to these kinds of products in different settings, and all of the misconceptions people have about emergency contraception have not proven true. Women do not have more risky sexual practices. They do not become less reliable users of regular contraception. In fact, using emergency contraception has been shown to encourage women to be safer and more reliable users of contraception.